Okay, so very good morning, everyone. Till now, whatever we have learned is all about the money in our previous classes. We have started with the conversion of rupees into paise or paise into rupees. After then, how to add the money without conversion or after converting. And we have also learned how to subtract the money and how to multiply the money. After then, we have learned several word problems related to the chapter money, right? So now the most important thing is, if anyone having any doubts from any particular exercise or any particular question, you just simply type the exercise number and question number. If the question is from ME or VVQ, just you can write the ME chapter number this, question number this, or if it is from VVQ, you can write VVQ question number this and chapter number this. Okay, so this is how very quickly everyone tell me, if anyone having any doubts from this particular chapter or from the previous chapter we have discussed, because today especially we are going to learn the next what we have is the test paper, which is the second test paper of this book, test paper 2, and this is based on the chapter which we have learned from, especially from 3 to chapter number 6, right? So if we see, I did ME question number 5. Which exercise ME question number 5? Which chapter ME question number 5? Sannuta. Chapter number. This I have explained. This I have explained already. That means you all are not paying attention, especially Sannuta Varadwaj. Question number 5. ME. Question number 5 of this chapter I am explaining. So this is Mohan bought a toy for this. So Mohan bought a toy. मोहन जो है एक टॉय खरीद के लाते हैं फॉर रुपीज 65 50 पैसे 50 and a ball for it's very simple question, rupees 22.50. So rupees 22.50. So how much money did he spend? So you have to tell how much money did he spend? So the question is very simple. मोहन ने एक खिलौना खरीदा इतना रुपए का, उसके बाद एक बॉल खरीदा इतना रुपए का. So आपको बताना है how much money did he spend in all total. So what we have to do? Yes, very nice. We have to add. So very simply we will add the total and we will check how much is the total. So to add it, the total money spent is equal to this plus this. So rupees 65.50 plus rupees 22.50. So rupees 22.50. So you have to just add like this and you have to check what is the result coming. So if you add this, let us see after adding here only. You have to add the right hand side. So I don't have space there. I am writing here only. So 65.50 and 22.50. So if you add this to 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. So 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Show 88.00, that means only 88 rupees. So the sum is coming 88 rupees. Show the total money he spent is 88 rupees. So I didn't see anyone answered this question. So very simply, this is how you have to add and tell the answer. Okay, anyone else? कोई और, किसी और को कोई और क्वेश्चन में है? And word problems, what problems also we have discussed. Word problems you need to understand only. Nothing to do with the word problems. Okay, Anushka Raj, ME question number 3. ME question number 3 is the addition. So simple. So addition, which one of ME question number 3? 3 also we have the subdivisions. I mean 3 is which questions? Anushka Raj, addition भी तुम लोग से नहीं हो रहा है, so what to do? It's very simple. That means not paying attention in the class. Right? Yes. Show ME 3 is find the sum. Find the sum means we have to add. Show find the sum. Sum निकालना है. Let us take one which we have is question number 8. 8 लेते हैं, wherein it is given rupees 41.25, then rupees 44.75, I mean 75, and one more number given which is rupees 175.50. So these are the three value given, you have to just add. So yes, here you have to keep in mind that decimal should be in the line. So we are writing, starting with this. So 40, I am doing the addition this side. So 41.25, then here 44.75. Most important thing is to write this number. How to write this number? After decimal 50 we have, so 50 we have written, and before decimal we have 175. So 5 we will write from the right hand side. So 5 is in ones place, then 7 is in tens place, and 1 is in hundred place. So like this it will be. So if you add this all, it will be 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5, again 1 carry, so 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11's 1, again 1 carry, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. 16's 6, again 1 carry, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and before 2-digit decimal, so we'll put before 2-digit decimal. So the sum is coming up 200. So this much will be the total cost. This much will be the total cost. So therefore, here you can write like this, कि rupees 41.25 plus rupees 44.75, okay, plus this is the rough work, so you have to do in the right hand side. Here I don't have space, so I am cleaning this. Okay, this is the sum which we got, plus which we have another is rupees 175.50, and we got the sum is, as rupees 261.50. That means 261 rupees and 50 paise. We have done this in rough work, right? So this is how very simply you have to add, right? This is all about question number 3. So rest of all I hope you can do of question number 3. So if still any other questions you have doubt in from the question number 6, how to find the sum, you can tell. Okay. So except question number 3, any else questions do you have doubts in? Except question number 3, anyone else have any else doubt in? Any other question? Whoever video is stop, start your video. सबका वीडियो स्टार्ट रहना चाहिए. No one will stop your video. Okay. So this is how we can add, or this is how we can find the sum. Find the sum means addition only. That's all. Okay. Any else question? Quickly tell me. अगर इसके अलावा कोई और क्वेश्चंस में किसी को डाउट्स है तो. Swati, whatever you have written, it is not visible here. I think you just write properly. Except 3 and 5, there is no any other questions which I can see. Okay. So now I am moving to the next topic which we have is the test paper. So the next topic or today's classwork you can see is the test paper 2. This test paper 2 which we have in page number 99. So this is today's classwork and the questions are based on chapter number 5 to 8. So first question which it is asking about the multiplication and addition together. So first you have to multiply and then you have to add. So first question it is asking 15 multiply 4 plus 15 multiply 3. This is the specially questions related to the multiplication. Why? Because here 4 times 15 and 3 times 15. So how many times 15 total it will be? 4 plus 3 is 7 times 15. So here you no need to do this separately. You can directly write like this. 15 multiply 4 plus 3 is 7, right? तो इस तरह से आप इसको लिख सकते हो 15 multiply 4 plus 3. अगर ये दोनों सेम है तो, अगर ये दोनों सेम है, सेम नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है whatever the times you want. So simply 15 multiply 4 and 15 multiply 3. So total is 15 multiply 4 plus 3. So total is 15 multiply 4 plus 3 means 15 multiply 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. So you all are aware about the tables of 15. Okay. So 7 times 15 is equal to how much? Quickly tell me, who can tell me? 7 times 15 is equal to how much? Okay, so 5 7 are 35. So 5 3 carry 7 1 are 7 plus 3 is 10, 105, right? So 105, that means here you can write 105, which is the first option. So option number A will be the correct answer, right? Yes, very nice. Ayush Kumar, not 120, it's 105, 105, option number A. So it is not like that. इस तरह से भी ये किया जा सकता है, but that will be slightly long process. कि आप अगर 15 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, whatever the product will come, 15 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, with that product you have to add, and after multiplying you have to add both the number, then also answer will come, but you no need to do that much. You just very simply add these two number, ये दोनों नंबर को add करके simply आपको multiply कर देना है 15 से, that's all. Okay, and after then what we have is, yes, after then whatever we have is half of 72. So we have learned half, double, triple. Half means what, डबल मीन्स व्हाट एंड ट्रिपल मीन्स व्हाट, ये हम लोग ने पढ़ा है. ठीक है. हाफ मीन्स होता है वॉट एवर द नंबर दैट यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 2. ओके, अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं कोई चीज का हाफ करने के लिए या आधा करने के लिए, इसका मतलब होता है यू हैव टू डिवाइड दैट इनटू 2 पार्ट, राइट? सो व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इज सिंपली वी यूज्ड टू डिवाइड बाय 2. सो इन द सेम वे, whatever the number it will be given, you have to just divide by 2. So here the number is 72. So 72 if you divide by 2, so what will be the answer? Okay, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so 3 times 2 is equal to 6, right? So 3 times 2 is equal to 6 and 1 12, so 6 times, right? So 6 times 2 is equal to 12. इस तरह से इसको डिवाइड करके भी आप देख सकते हो. By the way, so 2 how many times? 3 times 2 is equal to 6, 1 2, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. राइट तो इस तरह से बहुत ही इजीली आप जो है हाफ का मतलब होता है यहां पे, क्योंकि हाफ पूछा गया था. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि व्हाट डज द हाफ मींस. ओके, सो हाफ मींस द नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. कोई भी नंबर का हाफ पूछा जाता है उसको हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. इफ इट इज आस्किंग हाफ ऑफ 50, सो 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 25. So half of any number means just divide by 2 or like this, right? After then, next question which we have is rupees. It is given in rupees. The number is given in rupees. You have to write in paise. So we have learned how to write the rupees into paise. That we have learned just multiplying by 100, right? Or simply if the decimal is there, just removing the decimal also you can do this, or just you have to save. So here as like the rupees what we have is in question number 4, rupees 22.25 is equal to dash paise. So how many paise will be this? So very simply we know कि if you want to convert rupees into paise, we will multiply by 100, right? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So if you multiply this by 100, it will be 22500, and before 2-digit decimal which we have, so before 2-digit decimal you have to give. So that means 2225 rupee, 2225 paise will be the answer. So 2225 will be the required answer, which we have 2225 we have is the option number B. So option number B will be the correct answer. So everyone will do also together. अभी सब कोई बनाओगे भी. yes, अपना जो भी बुक है बुक में आप टिक कर लोगे पेंसिल से, and you will do also. Okay, so this is all about the first question of the test paper. And next question which we have is the fill in the blanks type question, right? So fill in the blanks type question. So first question which is asking 4/9 is written as. So this number is based on the fractional chapters. So we have learned 4/9 is written as. So how you used to write 4/9? So we have learned that the first number which we used to write in the numerator. So 4 will be in the numerator and 9th th is there. So that means 4/9. So the answer of this will be, we will write as like 4/9. Right? So first question's answer will be 4/9. If it is asking 6th, 9th, so 6/9. If it is asking 7, 15, so 7/15. So whatever the number divided by the number, that's all. Very simply, right? So till now, whatever we are discussing, anyone having any doubts? अभी तक का जो भी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है? अभी तक का till now whatever we have discussed, anyone having any doubts, then you can ask. Okay, the next question which we have is the second one of the fill in the blanks. It is asking the multiplication fact. So हम लोग ने पढ़ा था the multiplication fact. Multiplication fact for 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8 is. So here, like this type of option is there, that multiply that is equal to dash. So very simply we have learned about what the multiplication fact is. Multiplication fact क्या होता है कि whatever the division we have done, so whenever we are dividing any number by any number, the quotient is we got the quotient, right? And after then whenever we multiply quotient and this dividend, we get this one, right? So 8 multiply 9 or 9 multiply 8, so 8 multiply 9 we will get is 72, or you can write like 9 multiply 8 is equal to also 72, and these are the only multiplication fact of this division. तो very simply, जैसे कि मान लेते हैं एक है 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, तो 5 multiply 2 या 2 multiply 5 आप करोगे तो it will come 10. So this is only the multiplication fact of a number. तो ये अगर हम इसका multiplication fact निकालेंगे, so it will be either 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10 or 5 multiply 2 is equal to 10. So both are the these are the multiplication fact of this. Okay? इसके अलावा एक होता है डिवीजन फैक्ट. तो डिवीजन फैक्ट के बारे में भी हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कि इफ यू डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाय दिस और इफ यू डिवाइड बाय दिस नंबर बाय दिस, द अदर नंबर विल कम. सो इसका अगर डिवीजन फैक्ट बोला जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इफ इट इज समटाइम आस्किंग अबाउट द डिवीजन फैक्ट, then we'll write that suppose it is asking division for to write the division fact of this number, right? So what will be the division fact is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Another division fact will be 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So these two will be the division fact. ठीक है, तो ये डिवीजन फैक्ट है एंड दीज आर द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट एंड डिवीजन फैक्ट. Okay, understood everyone? Okay, so very simply the answer of that either this or this, whatever you will write, both are correct. So इसमें से कोई एक चीज करेक्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, next moving to the next question of FIB, fill in the blanks. 6 in 6 by 19 is, so very easy. 6 in 6 by 19 is, तो 6 की कहां है? न्यूमरेटर में है, डिनोमिनेटर में 19 है. सो हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कोई भी नंबर का जो है न्यूमरेटर डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर होता है. सो द आंसर विल बी न्यूमरेटर. ओके, सो 6 इज इन न्यूमरेटर. ओके, so 6 is in numerator. So in numerator, this will be the answer. So very simply, if it is asking that 19 in 6 by 90, then answer will be in denominator, right? So that's all about. After then, what we have is the same thing. The first one, as like the first question which I have explained. Okay, so it is like fourth question of second one I am discussing is 17 multiply 3 plus 17 multiply 7 is equal to 17 multiply how much? So this is also like the previous one only. Both are 17. Here also 17. Here also 17. So simply we will add these two. So 7 plus 3 is equal to how much? 10. So 17 multiply 10 will be here. Okay, so 10 will be the required answer of this. So up to this much I hope everyone understood. यहां तक किसी को कुछ और डाउट्स है? Everyone need to do in your book also together. आपको देख के यहां से करते करते बुक में भी बनाना है सभी को, ठीक है? Okay, your time is over. Rest of all we will discuss in our next class. Thank you everyone. And try to solve by yourself. Your homework is test paper 2. Homework is do rest of all question, do test paper 2. This is your homework. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.